I was bombarded with requests of reviewing the new launch by Nykaa, that is the Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon. So many of you sent me messages, commented, tagged me in their photograph to let me know that you have to review this. So I finally have my hands on them and I've tried them for about 3-4 days now with different sort of meals and everything, so I can let you guys know what I feel about them. So the market right now is bombarded with lip crayons. Lip crayons and liquid lipsticks are two things that are really working really well in the market, and the mainstream lipstick bullet has sort of taken a side seat, although I love all forms of lipsticks. So yeah, anyway, so lip crayons come in a variety of finishes: creme, satin, sheen and matte. Obviously by the name of this, which is Mattelicious Lip Crayon, you would know that it's supposed to be a matte lip crayon, which it is, and it has been launched in 4 shades. I have all 4 of them, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. These retail for ₹650 each, which makes them one of the most affordable lip crayon in the generic brands, like the mainstream brands. So I'm talking about mainstream brands, and in mainstream brands this becomes one of the most affordable lip crayons, because the general range of lip crayons is probably like 800 and above, 800, 900, be from any company. So yeah, so that's what the general range is. So it is one of the affordable crayons out there, main market again, just saying. So yeah, they've been launched in 4 shades. All of the 4 shades are from different color families, but I do wish that there were more colors in this range. Like 4 colors is not something that I was looking for personally. I want like more colors, but they claim that all of these colors are universally flattering. They can go from 9 to 5 to 9 to 12 or 9 to 3 a.m. Your party hours, your matters. So anyway, so they claim that it's meant for all skin tone, and you know, it's just like it's for all sorts of occasions, be it your office wear or party wear. So that's something that they took into consideration, but I still would prefer more colors. I did talk to them and they did say that they will be launching more colors with seasons and stuff like that, so I am looking really forward to that. Let's just get into the review. So this is what the pencil looks like. It's just like a normal crayon pencil, like a lot of companies. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and it has color coded packaging right here so that you can make out which color do you have, if you have like more than one color. Like I have all 4, so you know, it's really easy to make out which color is the pencil of. Although I do wish, like with all companies, I would like to say that rather than here they started color coding it here, because if it's coded here and if I'm storing it like this, I have to store it like this, and that just increases the risk of the pencil breaking off. So I would really prefer if the cap is color coded so that I can actually see which color it is while it's like stored straight. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, the normal Nykaa pink carton box, and that's what it looks like. And then it says it's paraben free, it's not tested on animals, it is dermatologically tested, and the shelf life is 30 months, which is a pretty good time for a lip crayon like this. And you get about 2.8 grams of product for ₹650, so which is a good amount because you don't need a lot of it. When it comes to formulation, this is a beautiful matte crayon. It is more matte than So Matte and Painstays, which are previous launches by Nykaa in the lip category. It is their most matte product till now, but it's still not drying, which I really like. That's the only plus point of lip crayons over liquid lipsticks, even though they are matte but they're not drying on the lips, which is something I really like because I hate a chapped lip. And this is also the most long lasting formulation by Nykaa till now. Like this fared on my lips for 7 to 8 hours. I wore Hot as Red one day and I actually fell asleep with the lipstick on, and then I woke up the next day and my mom just said to me, "You slept with makeup on." I was like, "No, I just had a lipstick, so it's cool." But it was still on, not like perfectly on obviously, but it was more like a stain. But yes, this does fare pretty good when it comes to oily foods and stuff like that. It doesn't fade away like extremely quickly. It takes its own sweet little time. It stays on your lips for 5 to 6 hours perfectly, after which it starts to fade away from all over. It doesn't fade from corners to mouth, so you don't have like butthole lips, but you have like a nice stained lip, which I like. So it just leaves like a nice stain behind, which stays on for a really long time. Obviously I tested it overnight by mistake, but if you are wearing it and if you have to like be up all night, say for example if you have some jagran or anything, then this is gonna be a good option because it will stay on your lips for a nice amount of time, which I really like. They do transfer slightly, they're not completely transfer proof, but that transfer rate is not extremely huge. Like there is slight transfer, but not like a huge transfer. These crayons are pretty smooth and pigmented. I'm going to show you guys one of the colors, like Hot as Red. Let's just take Hot as Red, and I'm just going to swatch it once in front of you guys to show the coverage and the pigmentation of these. So very right hand, I'm holding it from far behind. I don't want like a pressure and just like go like that. Far behind, and that's, I'm just going to like swipe it like that. You can see how pigmented this is, how creamy it went. It did not tug my skin. So even if you have pigmented lips, these will cover up the pigmentation on your lips, which is a good thing. So So yes, they have 4 colors, and I'm just gonna jump onto the swatches and everything because I know some people are just here for that, and yeah, it's okay. I don't mind that because I love swatching. So the first shade in this series is Hot as Red, which is a beautiful cool tone blue red. It's very beautiful. It is actually universally flattering because it's not too light, not too dark, not too blue, not too yellow. It has just the perfect amount of blue to it, and it also makes your teeth look slightly whiter than normal. Then we have the shade 02 Perfect Plum, which is such a beautiful plum color, but it's a very wearable plum color. That's what the range is all about. Like, you can wear it to the office as well. So it's a very wearable plum. I can see the dusky skin tones rocking this so much, like, because it's a perfect plum but not too dark. So it's going to be a very perfect shade for dusky skin tones. Obviously, people with fair skin tones can also wear it. Like, I personally love to wear it, and I'm a medium skin tone. But yes, dusky skin tones should definitely get this one. I just love this one so much. I'm all about those plums and purples and, you know, darker colors. And this is such a wearable plum color. Like, there are very few plum colors which are actually wearable in like a daytime scenario, or like in summers for that matter. But this is one of those colors which is very wearable and still very chic. The third color that we have is called Pink on Fleek. It's a very cutesy little pink color. It's sort of like a light pink MLBB sort of a shade for people from fair to medium skin tones. I see people who are like dusky also wearing this as like a nice pale pink color for their lips, not like an MLBB shade, but like a pale pink color. But I don't see deeper skin tones wearing it because I feel it's going to be slightly washing out for them. So I don't see them wearing it. It's a blue based pink, but it's a very cutesy little pink, and it's a perfect MLBB shade for me as well. Then last color, which I also have on my lips right now, is Next Level Nude. Like, before going into the color, I just want to talk about the name once. Like, with me and my friends, this was this thing, like this Next Level was our thing. So when I saw the name of this lipstick, it was instantly so nostalgic because we were all like, yaar, to next level ki cheez hai. Like, I was like called that way by one of my friends who's no longer my friend. So yeah, so he was like, he always used to say this to me, like, to the next level ki cheez. And I was like, yes. It was just like, it reminded me of those times, and I'm just getting personal over here in this review. I don't know why. Anyway, so this is Next Level Nude, and this is what I have on my lips. It's also a slightly bluer based nude color. It's a cool toned blue. I love cool toned lipsticks because they really just make you look good. So it's a very good nude color. But again, I see people from fair to dusky skin tones wearing it, not a lot of deeper skin tones. I think 2 of the colors which are meant for deeper skin tones have to be Hot as Red as well as Perfect Plum. The other 2 I think are for more like fair to medium to slightly duskier skin tones, not beyond that. You also get a free sharpener with every pencil. So I have 4 of them because obviously if I got like 4 lipsticks, I will get 4 sharpeners, but you get like 4 sharpeners. I will show you the sharpener as well, just like that. It's a good thing because then you don't need to individually hunt for sharpeners, because sometimes the size of the crayons don't match. Like, a lot of companies make fatter crayons, a lot of companies make thin crayons. So you never know if something will, you know, match your crayon shape or not. So this is what the So this is what the sharpener looks like. It's matching to my background, but on my face you can see it properly. And again, you have the stick cleaning thingy so that you can clean any product residue, which also brings me to the point that I love retractable crayons more than sharpening crayons, because I feel sharpening crayons sort of like have more product wastage than like the rotating crayons. But I do also know, because I talk to a lot of cosmetic companies on and off, that if a product is really creamy and matte as well, like non-drying matte texture, then it's really difficult to put it in a retractable form because it breaks off very easily. So you need to have a little bit more structure to make the matte matte lipstick remain in a mold, in a structure. So that's something that I've got to know because I've talked to a lot of like cosmetic manufacturing companies and everything, and that's why I have this knowledge. So I don't know like what I feel about it, because once you get back in knowledge, you tend to see things with more empathy. If I was just like a ruthless old blogger, I would be like, no, I want more retractable things, this is shit, this is this. But it is actually like that. Like, if you have a retractable pencil, it tends to break off really easily. With a lot of my lip liners which are retractable, they break off really easily because they're very matte and creamy, and it's really difficult for them to stay in shape and mold. So yeah, that's what I have to say about the new Nykaa Maralicious lip crayons. The colors are beautiful, but I feel they should come out with more colors soon, and the formulation is good, the price point is good, you get a free sharpener, which is a yay, and no fragrance whatsoever, so that's again also a good thing. I've also got to know about this from like back-end information and everything, that your cosmetics shouldn't have perfume, because perfume is generally made from alcohol, and alcohol on your face or your lips, like lips is still fine because you're drinking alcohol in one way. If you're eating your lipstick, Is it? This is not legit, right? But on your face it can be really drying, so no alcohol in there. So yeah, it doesn't have any parabens, and then the only downside I feel are the colors and the slight sharpening wastage that there is to these pencils. And that's it for my review. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. You guys have also been asking for the Nykaa nude matte nail polish swatches. I'll probably try to do them soon, I promise. So yeah, that's gonna be it again, and I will see you guys super soon. Till then, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media, because that's where I do my thing. I posted a flat lay of these on my Instagram, and so many of you commented that you wanted to see a review, and I got DMs from you guys, like my own photograph DM to me. So yeah, I do tend to check a lot of things, guys. So yeah, why am I rambling so much? I'm in such a good mood today. I'm just like, let me talk to them. So that's why people think I'm over dramatic, because I'm just a happy puppy. Anyway, I will see you guys super soon. Till then, take care, and also wishing you a happy Holi, because today is like a day before Holi. I plan to put this out today as well. Only like today is Sunday, I plan to put it out today. But if it's up on Monday, then happy Holi. Even if it's Sunday, it's like happy Holi. Today is Dulhandi, tomorrow is Rang. So happy Dulhandi. And yeah, just bye guys. Like, I love you all so much.